Generally, we can't see the internal organs, but in this model, how the internal organs they are present in the abdominal cavity that are shown very nicely. So, this upper part you can see these are the lungs. Here you can see that the lungs which is present on the right hand side, it is little bit larger than that of the lung which is present on the left side. The reason for this one is that there is the presence of a heart. Okay, now I am removing one by one these organs. So after the lung, another organ you can easily see here. It is the heart. We say that the heart is present, which is little bit slanting on the left hand side. So here it is the heart. If we remove this heart, then you can easily see the blue colored. These are the pulmonary arteries are there, and these are the pulmonary veins. These are the four pulmonary veins, and here the atria and ventricles they can easily seen in this heart. Okay, so after the heart, the another organ that you can see, which is in the brownish color here, it is the liver. Liver, which is present at the junction of the esophagus and the stomach. So esophagus which enters in the stomach, and after that there is a small intestine, and at the junction there is present this liver.
Okay, ma'am.
You say that the liver is the largest gland. The another organ you can see here, it is the stomach. It is a J shape. You can study it theoretically. It is a J shape. Here you can see the structure of this stomach. After removing the stomach, you can see the another organ. This you can see in this part there are the many wrinkles and folds you can see. So these two are commonly we study it as a small and large intestine. This structure is the small intestine, which is larger in a length, 5.6 meters in length, but its diameter is narrow, so that it is the small intestine. And here it is a large intestine. The length is 2.5 meter only, but it is having the wide diameter, so that it is called as the large intestine. And these are it shows many wrinkles and folds. So it is the small and large intestine. I am removing it. Okay. Now after this, you see. Sir, please come here. The kidneys. Now see the position of kidney. Theoretically we say that kidneys they are like our fist, but they are not at the same position. So the kidney which is present on this side, it is little bit lower position. So you can see here the two kidneys are there, and they are just like to the top of fist, and they are present at the lower abdominal or the dorsal side and the lower abdominal cavity. Here you see the large intestine is there. Okay. Now see here, these are the two kidneys. The two kidneys are there, and here these are the renal artery and renal veins are there. The two ureters, and there is a common urinary bladder. So this is the part of our excretory system. So in this way, by using this model, we can easily understand how the internal organs they are present in the